Welcome back, everyone. We are now on page 101, and then the focus will be solving number 10, 11, and 12. This side, I want us to write the comments. Of course, here we're solving these problems. Here, I want to explain. Step number one, whenever you want to solve this type of problems, recognize the shape of an object. Here you can see that this shape is a cylinder. If this shape is a cylinder, then you need to know that the formula for a cylinder is always pi r squared times h. And then in this case, the value of r of the cylinder there, it will be 9 divided by 2, you get 4,5. Because the number given here is not the radius, but is a diameter. And we know that the radius is half of the diameter. And then the perpendicular height is the distance from the base side to the highest point, which is 13 centimeter. Now, on step number 2, make sure that you do the substitution and do the correct substitution. So let's now start. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. We write down the formula to calculate the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r squared multiplied height. If equals to the pi is 3,143 multiplied by the r is 4,5 all squared multiplied by the height is given by 30. Then this is what I meant by correct substitution, correct formula. Now here, make sure that you press your calculator accurately to be able to calculate this type of numbers. Please calculate with me, grab your calculator and do the calculations with me, and we will compare the answers. I obtained the answer here, which is 827,39. This must be measured in square. No, it should be measured in cubic centimeters. So step number 3, whenever you calculate the volume, remember that the volume is always measured in cubic units. Then if you presented this type of a problem, then I'll give you a reward here, I give you a reward here, then I can even give you 4 marks. That was number 10. I thank you for watching. Let's meet again on the next session. On the next session, we'll be doing number 11, where we'll be calculating the volume of a cylinder with the radius 100 millimeter and the height of 10 centimeter.